따릉이 없어.
That is super easy.
우리
Okay.
이제 자전거 탈까?
가보자. 디디디디디디디. This is how you want to go around the Han River. The absolute best way to enjoy the Han River is by bicycle. And in 2015, the Korean government started a bike rental program known as Seoul Bike called Darangi in Korean. So today I'm meeting my friend and we're going to rent bikes and explore around the Han River. Oh, these types of renting programs have become a lot more common and easier to use, and that brand is Darangi. Now, this is not an advertisement for this, and I'm here today with my friend Miru.
Hi!
Miru is, she has no job. She just stands. And I met her on the street actually. She was sleeping right here, right? 여기 자고 있었지?
맞아,
우리
맞아.
만났을 때 여기 자고 있었지?
노숙자. 여기 제 집이에요, 야, 엉망 진짜이야.
This is actually my friend Miru, and she does diet, exercise, cooking.
다이어트의 진심?
Check out her Instagram also. I'll link it in the description box below. 그럼 우리 자전거를 먼저 골라야 돼.
그래. 이거 좋다. 따릉이 없어. 데려가서 나오면 여기 바코드를 이렇게 찍으면 이제 지금 연결 중인데 내 건 2시간 기본으로 돼 있어.
아.
그럼 이렇게 내가 올라갔지?
That is super easy. It says you have how much time you have left, and if you are late, every 5 minutes they charge you 200won, so about 20 cents or so. So just don't be late. 내 것도 해야지. Here you can see I'm gonna do a 2-hour pass. It says 2,000won, but that comes out to right now $1.78. So now I put in my credit card number. 구매 완료.
와.
So now I click rent on the screen.
연결 중.
Okay, it's currently requesting. We're ready to go. That's all we needed.
우리
Okay.
이제 자전거 탈까? 잠깐만.
뭐야? 마스크까지 쓰면은 연예인급인데? 연예인이야?
관종 언니.
Okay. 가보자. This is how you want to go around the Han River.
너무 이상하다, 그치?
If you're in Seoul, it's hard to miss the Han River, known as Hangang in Korean. It's one of the most popular destinations for tourists and residents. And once you've visited there yourself, it's not hard to see why. Not only is it perfect for picnics or events, but there are also biking and walking trails all around it.
다리가 아픈 게 아니라 손이 아픈 거 아니야? 그래서 이래.
오늘 하루 종일 자전거를 탔는데 손이 너무 아파.
야, 지금 여기 진짜 예쁘다. 와, 너무 예쁘다.
And no, this is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to ride bikes around the Han River. 여기서 칠까?
빌리 오늘 자전거 타니까 어땠어?
힘들지만 재밌어.
나 그거 타고 뭐가 힘들어.
아니 더우니까 좀 힘들어.
아, 더우니까?
그게 스트레칭이야 이거?
오케이,
나도 그거 할 수 있어.
오케이. 야, 그거 아니야.
These sort of days are the most memorable for me in Korea. Even something as simple as renting a bike for $1 and riding along the river.
잠깐만. 세울게.
So we had a lot of fun, and now it's time to return the bikes. So put the bike in any of these racks that you find, like that. You push this down and you lower this bar in, and that's it. 쉽네.
쉬워.
So easy.
So easy. 가자. 밥 먹으러 가자.
Thanks for joining us. This was Billy and Miru. Again, I'll link her Instagram in the description. Take care, and I'll see you next time. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.
다음에 또 봐.